Okay, my amazing, fabulous kindergarten students. We're going to do a little bit of a review. So there's a couple of things that we've done this year. One of them was learning how to do our numbers in the right direction, and we were copying them. And then recently we've been doing printmaking. So that was making a copy of something. So we're going to use those two skills to use our entire page. So I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to try to trace it. So you're going to take your dominant hand and you're going to trace around your fingers all the way around, and the hard part was going underneath your hand. So if I want, I can just kind of make that up, because remember, art's not perfect. Now, just like our numbers, we're going to go a little bit on top of the other hand. We're not going to go right on top, but just a little bit on top of, and we called that overlapping, if you guys remember that word. Overlapping means it's a little bit on top of, it's not right on top. And so I'm going to go all the way around. Remember, the hard part is going behind your hand, and I'm almost there. I could probably fit maybe two more, one more. I'm going to make it easy on myself. I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to go around my fingers one at a time. Almost there. It's okay to go off the page. It actually looks really good if you do. So go off the page. And then remember, I can just make that up. So just like with, it's kind of hard to see, just like with our numbers, we're going to kind of play that coloring game. And you guys are going to look for the shapes that you can see, that you've created. So I can see a shape right here. There's one shape, right? And here's another shape. And here's a shape. So you're looking for the shapes that you've created. And you can do a couple of things. If you want, you can just color those in different colors, like we did with our numbers, or you can create a pattern. So what that means is you can use maybe some of the lines that we've learned this year. You can do like a zigzag line and then fill in that whole space or that whole shape with a zigzag line. And then I can go over to the next one and do something different. Use your imagination. So maybe some circles. I kind of like that. Remember, a pattern is something that repeats. I like that. So let's see. What do you think? What about a wavy line? We learned wavy lines this year. Oh, here's another shape. So I'm going to find the next one. I really like little hearts. So I'm going to do little hearts and fill it in. And you're going to keep going until you fill in your whole page. One of our goals this year was to fill in the whole page. Don't just do something small in the middle. Alright, so this is a cool activity to kind of use your fingers and your hands and just a pencil and paper. See what you can come up with.